Some time ago I made an armrest table for our couch. It's pretty much perfect for what it is, but it's lacking one feature. I can't really use my laptop. This table is just too small. So I have to think about something. I have to think about some kind of extension. I'm not going to use this all the time. It has to be removable. There has to be some kind of storage for it. I need this table to be 60 centimeters long. I need enough space for my new 14-inch laptop, which I hopefully can buy soon when I have enough money. I also need some space for a mouse, and I need a cup holder here. When I was shopping some wood, of course, I was stupid and I didn't measure anything, so I bought two less of these pieces. That's why I have to improvise a little bit. I'm not going back to this shop. I have some leftover pieces. This is different wood. And because I don't have enough wood, I have to do this a little bit different than before. Before I did everything kind of a horizontal. But now I will do it vertical. I will cut all these wood to shorter pieces and I will glue them a little bit different. I found few more of these wood, so in the end I have to use only 3 pieces of this other wood, and it's going to be fine. I think it would look great with those. Next I have to glue these all together. I try to do it in one set. I just have to have some kind of support here that it won't bend. I'm going to use Tight Bond 2 to glue these, and I'm going to do it in my office because it's warm there in my workshop. It's a little bit cold. I changed my mind. I'm going to use Tight Bond 3 to glue these. It gives me a little bit more time. It's also very strong glue. It's also waterproof and wood safe. So, I will now let this glue dry and I think we will see tomorrow. Now, this table part. I can't do it 60 long, I have to do it 59, otherwise it won't fit. Obviously this end grain glue doesn't stick that well or hold that well. That won't be a problem because I anyway have to screw these, but now I just need that it's in place. For me it's easier to make these pilot holes for the screws and easier to line up everything. I have this part of my router, it's a little bit broken. I can't tight enough with this original screw, so I have to use my screwdriver to do that. This looks pretty good. Here I have some holes which I want to fill, and I'm going to use wood paste. Yep, you know what's coming next. Sanding. Now I have to find a solution for this one. I can't glue it because there's oil. This glue won't stick to this oil. I will screw it, but I can't screw it from behind. I don't have this kind of angle screwdriver. I could maybe, with my router, make a slot here. Just a millimeter deep slot that this oil is gone. Then I can also use glue and screws. So I think I'm going to use these shreds and this kind of machine screws. That's pretty good. It's very close. But I still need screws. I forgot that I put screw here. I will just fill this with wooden block and drill 2 more holes here. Problem solved.